Backing up, so we're going to take this apart and see if we can find out why.
Hair.
Probably here. Almost guarantee that. So the AC's been working fine?
Yeah,
good.
That's good.
Good.
Oh yeah, what else? So do you think that's going to be a big job to do the grill?
Yeah, it's kind of like really you can't get to it. You can't get to the piping, and the area is really tight over there, and wow, this thing's really tight. The grill's like almost one of those things where it's not going to be able to be done.
Would you be able to look, because he's confused, I mean, I think it's just a problem with the grill.
I think what he's saying is, you know, he turns the gas onto the grill and then you can't use it for 10 minutes or whatever. That seems like a defect to me.
I think he's...
Something's wrong.
I think he's not understanding. I don't know if he could sort of look at the, maybe he could try to light it and show, and you might see immediately.
Let's see. This thing's full of hair. What do you think the odds are? I bet you. All right, you ready?
It's too horrible to even contemplate.
Ooh. Here we go.
Oh.
You ready? Ooh, I'm losing it.
Good.
Hang on a minute. Oh yeah, you got some.
I've got some tweezers.
Hang on a minute.
I've got some. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, they make a thing for that.
Ooh.
This is so embarrassing.
Flipping hairball from hell here.
And the thing is, I always try to grab anything that I see, but it must get dead before I could.
Let me go get my my long needle nose. That's really bad.
Oh dear.
Hang on, that thing's got a glovation in it.
It's a record.
Might be a record.
We're going for the record, not the kind I want. I've tried to use this before, but it might not be long enough.
So you don't happen to have any paperwork on what type of valves are in here?
I've never...
I don't think we do.
What is this? Ugh.
Oh.
I found these.
Oh, hang on, I got something better.
Okay, I don't know
you got
what.
it? Oh, you got it out.
Well, not all of it.
Wow.
I don't know what that is.
That's just hair.
But
all right, let me in there.
That's. Ugh. Oh.
Whoa.
I don't want to fall.
I don't know what the hell. There's something's growing in there.
Queasy.
That's pretty clear now. Unbelievable. What do we go for? Must have toilet paper here or something, no? Oh, tissues will work. I'm gonna clean off my device. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this thing. This is one of those Home Depot specials that...
Right.
I don't know, I kind of like the pliers better.
Yeah, the other's good in theory, but...
Ugh, look at that.
Actually, I thought it was... so I was thinking there was going to be
It's all that Lipitor medicine you're on. It's giving you flipping hair falling out.
No, they switched me to...
Look at it all. Wow.
I thought it was even going to be more. When because I did it and I was able to do it myself in the...
Yeah, you gotta. There's a shaft in there you gotta take out because it hooks in the hair, the shaft.
Okay.
And if you don't, it ain't gonna come out.
Out of the drain in the...
It look like a squirrel?
Yeah, in the shower.
I got some of them around my yard.
I think I've got
them squirrels. See if I can get this thing in without ruining it. Seemed to be pretty tight on there, which seems a little weird. Maybe it was going in cross-threaded or something before, but as long as it don't leak is my concern. We don't want it leaking. Yeah, you got a lot of issues here with these faucets. You know, you might be better off at just getting all new faucets and just replace them all, because they're all kind of like sticking.
Well,
Now, these are 8 to 12, these faucets. If it was me, I would just get 4 new ones, good stuff, and just replace them, because they're already old and they're already all starting to bind up. You know?
That was absolutely fine.
Well, yeah, we can. What I'm saying is, they're all starting to get old. You know, so if you were smart, which I think he's pretty smart. Now, if you want, I can leave it like this, so you can pull it out and use a plunger. You'd rather do that?
Yeah, I would.
See that?
Yeah.
So it comes in and out. See, like that? You could just grab it. You gotta put it sideways.
Yeah,
there's a little shaft in there that's gonna pick it up.
Right.
And when you pull it down the shaft, it pushes it.
Right.
So let's see if it leaks. Let's see if it goes down now. What I like about that is it can go up pretty high.
Good.
Better. So you've seen what come out of there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised it was. So I was thinking it was down further, but it never made it down.
It's on that shaft.
Right.
The hair gets on the shaft, and then it starts building up, and then it gets all around this mechanism. So what you want to do is, I got this so this can come out.
Yeah,
now.
that's perfect.
And you could get a plunger.
Yep.
And what you got to do is, if you're going to hit this with a plunger, you got to get a wet rag and cover this hole. Because this hole on the side here with a wet rag, and then when you plunge it, it's not going to come up the overflow.
Yep.
All right?
Yeah, because it went all over this one.
Yeah, no, you understand this just goes in, pops in like that.
Yep, that's much better. Because that I could have, if I could have done that, I could have taken care of it.
Yeah, you could have did it yourself. You want to wash this good, these tweezers.
You don't have to tell me.
Just here.
I know. It's just gross when it's kind of combined with.
As long as I got no leaks, yeah. As long as I'm not leaking.
So the other would take more of an effort. So we could make, because I do like.
I could try to get a cartridge, but like I said, I recommend. They're already all starting to get hard to move, and you know.
Well, that is, it was immediately after the attempted repair that it started. I don't know what.
No, these are all these cartridges are getting hard. Even like the other one we just looked at. See, they're barely opening, and I mean.
Yeah.
Is there a way to keep the outer hardware?
No, if it was me, I would get. This is what they call an 8 to 12 faucet. See, it's 8 inches or 12.
Yeah.
Or you could get a regular bathroom faucet that's 4 inches, all one piece.
Right.
This is a different style. This is what they call 8 to 12.
Right.
And there's supplies on the bottom. So if the holes are at 12, which these are, the supplies connect everything. So it's 3 individual pieces. You got 1, 2, and you got 2 on the other side. If it was me, I would get 4 brand new faucets, good stuff, and replace them, because these have already been in 15 years.
So these are like 8-inch parts.
Well, that's probably it. It's called 8 to 12.
Okay.
So it can be adjusted. There's flex supplies that go underneath. The other one's all one piece.
Right.
No,
the 4-inch.
Yeah.
Obviously.
And then this is granite, so you got to get something that can go on the deep stuff. I could try to repair them, but I'm recommending that you plan on staying here, right? I mean, this is your home.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be a bad idea just to get 4 brand new ones, and then you got another 10, 15 years and no problems with them.
Right. But who can decide which ones to get?